So I got this. I made this fidget spinner. And sorry about the background. Let me just turn that TV down. So yeah guys, I made this fidget spinner. I got some bearings. And my burrow is just making noise. So I got some bearings and cable ties and just stuck them in with glue, and then covered the glue with some yellow and blue paint so it looks even cooler. And yeah, that's basically it. And yeah guys, it spins perfectly. Yeah, that's basically all I really do like it. I just got really bored and I just made one because mine is common from the internet. It took 2 weeks to come, so I just got really bored waiting for mine to come. By the way, if you haven't seen my video on it, just go check it out. Leave a like, and yeah, basically that's it for the day guys. Hope you enjoy. And yeah.